Hey everybody, how to upload photos to Google Drive from iPhone. First go to App Store and find Google Drive app. Then open it app and here tap plus in right down corner. After that we can tap upload to upload any file, and here we can choose photos and videos if we want to upload photos and videos, or we can choose browse if you want to upload any document, any file. Now we want to upload photos. Click photos and videos. Drive would like to access your photos. Okay, it's a Google, it's safety, keep current selection, and here we see albums, videos, recent. Click recent and choose any file. Then in right upper corner tap upload to upload this file, and then we can tap locate to find this file, and here our file from iPhone in Google Drive. Where we can see it, we can tap in left upper corner menu, then choose recent, and we see our recent upload file. Leave the comment please what's the type of files you can download to your iPhone: videos, photos, or any files. Leave the comment please. Thanks for the watching, good luck and goodbye.